Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to Reese Vlogs. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing stew peas, Jamaican stew peas with pigtail and turkey neck. It's a fairly long process, so I'm just going to get right into it. No long talking. If this is the first time watching, your first, second, third, fourth, fifth time watching, and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Also click the like button because it's Reese Vlogs and you already know it's going to be good. Also click the notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. So this water is bubbling up. I'm just going to add the pigtails to it. The pigtails have been soaking overnight, right? If you don't know, pigtails are usually salty, so you want to get rid of as much salt as possible from it, because if you cook with it without soaking it or boiling it, scald it off, the meal will be extra salty. So you want to soak it overnight and then you want to scald it off to get rid of the excess salt. So while I scald off the pigtails, I have the turkey neck over here. I did put on the seasonings already, some browning, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning with some scallions and pepper and all of that good stuff. So I'm just mixing around everything, ensuring that the seasonings are fully incorporated on all the pieces of the turkey neck, and just make sure that the browning is on all parts so that it can brown nicely. So the peas is almost done pressuring, so I'm just going to add the pigtail that is scalded off and the turkey neck. I'm just going to take them out, not with the seasonings. I'll put in the seasonings after. And I'm just going to let this pressure, not for too long, just to soften it up a bit. And then I'll take it off and cook it normally. You throw in some more water with the seasonings. So after pressuring for about 10 minutes, this is how we are looking. I am going to add the spinners. Spinners are dumplings that are rolled instead of the normal way, but I'll show you how those are made. But this is what we have now, so I'll add the spinners along with some coconut milk. So you just want to take the dough and just roll it, spin it. I guess that's why it's called spinners, why they're called spinners. You just do it like this and you're good. So go. I'm just going to add the spinners to the pot like that. Just throw them in. Then I add the coconut milk. So the seasonings have been added now. Add some scallion, some pepper, some garlic cloves, pimento seeds, as you can already see. So I'm just going to let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. But I'll definitely check as I go along. You want to add time when you're adding your seasonings as well. I was just here checking on the pot, tasting to see what I need, and I realized this is missing something, and it was the time. So you need to add time when you're adding your seasonings as well. But this is how we're looking now. I want it to simmer down just a little bit more, so I'm just going to turn up the heat a little bit and put on back the cover and let it cook some more. So after cooking for about 20 minutes from the time when I added the seasonings, this is how we're looking now. And I'm about to turn off the stove. This is the final product. Nice and thick. Yeah. And there you go, the finished product, plated, looking so scrumptious, and it tastes even better. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like if you didn't do it in the beginning of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, click the post notification button, and I'll see you, or you'll see me maybe in the next video.